Alright, I don't do unboxing videos very often because that's not really my thing, but I am excited and I thought I'd share. I have the new Pixel 6 Pro, yes! So I am thrilled to have a cutting edge phone for the first time. I usually go a few generations older because of price, but I felt like spoiling myself, so I did it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Gotta peel off these. There's an arrow right there where you peel it off. There we go. And that should do it. Oh, this is exciting, at least for me. Oh, and there it is. And one of my favorite things is that they actually had to cut out a piece of the box itself to make room for that raised edge there. All right, so we're gonna pull that up, flip it over, and oh, that thing is beautiful. Ooh, it's nice. And of course it comes with your charging cable, and I'm sure that's the manual. Yeah, cute little manual there. So you can place that aside. So there's the phone. I'm sure all the specs are available by people who do really proper, nice unboxing videos. But for size, I would like to show a comparison. There's Eric Wilson's Code Red at the Supermall. So that's a paperback, and that is a Pixel 6 Pro. So there's the phone in comparison with a standard paperback. It's a pretty sizable phone, and of course when you buy a new phone like this, you're going to want to protect it. So the reason I got this phone is because I often, for my main channel, Best Edmonton Mall, walk around taking tons of B-roll with my phone, and I wanted something with really nice camera. And my Pixel 3a, which I'm filming this on right now, it's done the trick so far, but I wanted to up my game, and I wanted something with some actual optical zoom, and I'm hoping this will do the trick. So let's switch cameras right now. And now I'm filming with the new Pixel 6 Pro. So this was my fingerprinty Pixel 3a. So like I said, a little bit older, a little bit from a previous generation, but nonetheless, I still loved it as a phone. And yeah, so I'm going to take a little trek around here, and we're going to compare the 4K filming on each of these devices and see which one performs, well, better, more preferably, as you will. Okay, here we have selfie mode in relatively low light. So on this side over here, I have the Pixel 6 Pro, and over here I have the Pixel 3a. And this is the comparison in low light selfie mode. And here's the same comparison in a little more light out here in the parking lot directly under a light. Again, this side is the Pixel 6 Pro and this side is the Pixel 3a. And again, this is, I guess, decent light selfie mode here in the world's biggest parking lot at West Edmonton Mall. And here is 4K recording in the same parking lot. The shaking camera now, with its image stabilization, is the Pixel 6 Pro, and the shaking camera here with its image stabilization is the Pixel 3a. This is the wide angle lens on the Pro versus the standard view on the Pixel 3a. What a difference that makes. It's really a game changer, especially for me. If you want to feel how awkward it is to be the only grown man riding on a train by yourself, well, this is it. Okay, and there's the comparison of the Ice Palace at West Edmonton Mall. And ultra wide. Thanks for watching, everybody. I usually do much more polished videos about West Edmonton Mall. If you're interested, you should check this one out. Or even this one. And don't forget to subscribe.